And hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to a quick lesson on discount, markdowns, and sale expressions. Okay, so in this particular lesson, we're just going to learn how to write expressions having to do with discount, markdown, and sale. So, ladies and gentlemen, let us begin. Okay, so to begin with, let's go with a discount expression. A shovel is on sale for H dollars. Okay, they're giving me a variable, so that's important. However, for this week only, the shovel has a 30% discount applied to it. That's awesome! I'm getting something for cheaper. Write an expression showing the new price of the shovel. So they want an expression showing the new price. Yeah? Now think about this. Your original amount of money that you're paying for this shovel is H dollars. You have no idea how much H is, but you know you're paying H dollars. Now, the store manager is telling you, hey, you're getting a 30% discount. You're getting it cheaper. If you're getting it cheaper, you're getting it for 30% less than what it was. So that means we are subtracting, yeah? Now, my original amount, H, my original amount is always 100%. Why? Do not question the why, merely accept. The original amount is always H. If you want your original variable as a percent, it's always going to be, I'm sorry, not H, 100%. Okay? So now we take the 100% that the shovel did cost and we subtract 30%. 100 minus 30 means we are actually paying 70% of what the shovel was worth. So 100 minus 30 is 70. Okay, let's turn that 70% into a decimal. We move the decimal point over 2 spots to the left. This becomes 0.70 and then times H. So our final answer is 0.70H. Voila. Let's go ahead and move on to another example. In this example, we are dealing with markdowns. So, SpaceX has just finished building a satellite that it wants to sell to the US government. To try and get the government to buy it, SpaceX marked down the cost of the satellite by 12%. So, please notice, marked down. The key word is obviously down. You're going to subtract. If Y, that's our variable, represents the original cost of the satellite, write an expression to represent the new cost of the satellite. So basically, SpaceX built this massive, complicated satellite and they wanted to sell it for the original amount for Y dollars. But they realized, maybe they won't buy it for this much, so they wanted to reduce the price a little bit. They marked it down by 12%. So they are subtracting, marking down 12%. Okay? They want us to build an expression, just like last time. The original amount. Yeah? So we know it cost Y dollars. We have no idea what Y stands for, but we do know that the original amount is always, as a percent, 100%. So now all we got to do, 100%. Minus 12% will give me 88%. So basically, they're selling it to the US government for 88% of what it originally costed. So you're looking for 88% of Y. Okay? You take that invisible decimal point, you move it 2 spots to the left, and this becomes 0.88 times Y, which we just write as 0.88y. Voila, that's it. This expression represents the new cost of the satellite. Now, let's do one more. Let's go to sale expression. Yoda's Jedi Emporium is selling lightsabers. Everyone's buying the red, blue, and green ones, but nobody wants the purple lightsabers for some reason. The store decides to put the purple lightsabers on sale. So our keyword here is sale, where they're dropping the price by a whopping 45%. So the price is going down. When something's on sale, you pay less for it. Dropping the price by 45%. If J represents the initial cost of the purple lightsabers, write an expression to represent the new cost of the lightsabers. Yeah? So, once again, the original amount is J. We don't know how much that is, but it could be anything, but we know that original amount, we know that that's the original amount, J. Now, no one's buying the purple lightsabers, so the store says, okay, we're going to put them on sale. We're going to reduce the amount that they cost by 45%. This is all we need to create our expression. The original amount J as a percentage is always going to be 100%. We've discussed that. So 100% minus 45% is going to give us 55%. Great. So basically the purple lightsabers are now on sale for 55% of their original value, J. Perfect. We take the decimal point, we move it 2 spots to the left. That becomes 0.55 of is times J. So basically the answer is 0.55 times J, which we can just write as 0.55J. Voila! This has been your brief tutorial on how to go ahead and write expressions for discounts, markdowns, and sales. I hope it helps.